particular
No,
account.
this transaction was 2 days. Based on the, dalawang araw to put together yung 457 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, hindi kayo nagtaka? Bakit cash? Bakit 457 million? At bakit dalawang araw?
Your Honor, hindi po ako kasi magtataka or mag-iisip ng negative since the funding is coming from the government and the DPWH and knowing it's for the project. So, hindi po ako talaga nagtaka po.
Hindi ba common sense lang na 200 million cash for the project? Paano? Pero bang nagbabayad ng cash? Ano yun? Di ba dapat cheque?
Actually po, yung list of creditors is a passbook account. And yun po yung nire-report po nila. Then they have their
The principle behind yung 500,000 suspicious transactions is because suspicious transactions. Kumbaga, so hindi suspicious transaction yung kalahating bilyon, 2 araw nilabas?